welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am Tetfu, Mahlalela. If you're here for the first time, please feel at home and enjoy. If you're a regular honey, I've got endless love for you. So this is massive vlog, yeah, because I've just been frustrated. So some days I was vlogging, some days I wasn't, because I just couldn't take everything in and things like that. So I don't know how I'm gonna caption this, but it's a lot. It's not really a lot. Why am I lying? It's not a lot. A lot happened, like a lot of mgomo and things. But we're back with varsity content and wait, where's the phone? So what's gonna be happening in this vlog, I can just say that it's me moving from home to school. I didn't even know if I was admitted or not, but I just left home and I was like, whatever happens, it must find me there, okay? And I am sorted right now. This is just a video of me showing you guys my moving in process. This is not, even though I'm gonna show you guys my space, like I'm gonna show you guys my new room, but then it's not a room tour or room whatsoever like I did last year. I'm still gonna do that once I've decorated and did everything here. Yeah, so yeah, stay tuned and enjoy. Before we get to it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. I'm sure you will definitely like the video, you definitely enjoy it, so please do the most right now. And yeah, share with your friends, share with everyone. Anyways, I feel like I'm doing a lot of rambling. Hey loves, so right now we're at Alzu. At this time I was already in the shuttle, so we're just taking a break, just a small break to get a few things if you want to, or like go to the bathroom, so that's what we're doing right now. And I was just watching those animals, these beautiful animals.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching.
So you guys are not seeing any clips from like when I was at Tambo and things like that, because I lost my bag the day at the airport and I was just a mess. I couldn't continue the vlog. So yeah, but then the great news are that we did call the shuttle service. So thank you, Lime Time. and thank God that they found my bag and they were able to courier it back to me. So yeah, that's why you guys last saw me at Alzu. And yeah, the girl was depressed after that. No, not Alzu, the bus thingy. So yeah, I was depressed after that and I couldn't vlog. So yeah.
Ooh. Thank you. Oh my god. So, apha kwa yazi iphiphi ze-netball.
Ah. So this is how my room looked like before cleaning it and everything. Honestly, I couldn't show you guys the whole thingy, the whole process like of cleaning it and everything because it was just too much and I was so mad. I don't know if I was mad at the person who was living here before or what, because darling, it took me more than 4 hours to clean the wall only. I'm talking about the wall only, then everything else after. It was just a lot, but yeah, this is how it looked like before, and right now I'll show you how it is right now. But then we're still gonna decorate it. So don't worry. So this is the bed side. There's nothing much to it. This is my bed. Oh, there's my art up there. You guys know this art. So yeah, and then this is my other art, which was my birthday gift from someone very special to me. So yeah, for sure you guys will see it in my room decor video or whatever, because I'm still making a plan on how to put it up there because it is class and I don't want any mistakes here. And this is my closet. So this is how it looks like. That's the door. That's my plant. And yeah, we have, ooh, so here we have this black thingy, because look at this, guys. Like, this room is like oldish in a bad condition, so I thought this was gonna hide the whole thing, but you can still see like some of this. So this is how bad it is. So, but yeah, I tried. And here we have my bin, we have my broom, mop, and I don't know what that black thing is, but yeah, it's permanent on the floor. And then we have my, okay, we have my other things, which I can't show you guys, like my undies and everything. And then we have my towel here. I mean, have my towel rack with my towel on it, and we have my ring light and ring light stand. We also have my other mini stand over there, and then we have a fine babe, a gorgeous babe, finest babe. So yeah, I just used adhesive two-sided adhesive stickers to insert this mirror, like a mini mirror, so that I can look at myself, you know, because I love seeing this face. So yeah, we have my mirror here. And moving to this side, we have my fridge, we have my stove, don't mind the bread inside. Fridge, we have my table, microwave. Okay, I just finished drinking that, so I have my microwave. We have what's this thing, We have my picnic basket. We have my hat because I don't know where to put it. I was thinking of putting it here. What do you guys think? I was thinking of putting it here by the door. Did you guys think it looks like a bit aesthetic? Oh no. Yeah. Don't you guys think so? Don't you guys think so? Please let me know in the comment section because child, I think it's cute. Okay, let's leave it there for now. So yeah, as I was saying, I'll have my picnic basket, and underneath here we have my toaster, have my kettle, iron, oh man, fan, my, what's this thing, soap for the dishes, like liquid soap. And then up here we have some fruit, we have some veggies. Inside there we have a lot of foods, and here we have some of the food I use on a daily basis. And then up here we have my dishes, then we have my pots up there, then we have my books there, some of my books. We have my plants, which was a birthday gift from someone very special to my heart. And yeah, okay, my bottles at the back. So that's just about it on this section. And my favorite part. So now we are here. This is my favorite part of the room, where we have my beautiful mom here. We have my diffuser, and we have my vase. So is it a vase? Is it a vase or a vase? Well, I don't know that. I'm not sure. But what I know for sure is that, darling, this year we getting everything flowers. Yeah, whether I'm receiving them from someone or buying them myself, or it's just gonna be a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot of flowers. And that's what I know for sure, and not the name of the item. Okay, so yeah, and then we move to my stand where we have my laptop, we have my pencil, pens and everything. We have my stand, we have my flower, we have my iPod case, and I think, okay, we have my watch there, and those are my glasses, my reading glasses. We have my glue there, and here we have some pins which I'm not gonna use. Okay, my mouse and my mouse pad. Down here we have my carpet. You guys can see my carpet. Please never mind the bag that's showing here. It's just a lot of like extra clothes and everything. And then we have oh, what happened to my laptop bag? I don't know what this is about, the dirt, but yeah, this is my laptop bag, and this is my chair. So yeah, okay, I forgot to show you guys, but it's that side of the thingy, and that's my calendar. What else? Oh, my curtain. And there's really nothing much. Okay, yeah, that's my bag, has my Bible in it, and I think some people call it. So yeah, nothing much really. Yeah, you guys already saw this side, like my bed side. Okay, that light doesn't work. I wish I could remove it because chill, it just doesn't look nice. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much about it.
Oh, you.
loves, we have come to an end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, if you really did enjoy it, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Please give it a big fat thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Please, I beg subscribe to my channel. I mean, even if you didn't enjoy the video or you don't find it helpful in any way, but please still subscribe, you know, still subscribe and share. From me to you guys, I love you, and I'll see you on my next one. Goodbye. And one more thing, oh my god, I'm gonna read this, but one more thing, if you guys want to know, like, if you want to know where I got so and so, even though I did say this is not a decor video, but if anything, or you want to ask anything like concerning this institution or anything like that, you know, you can always ask, and then I can help where I can. So yeah, bye.